Hello everyone, my name's Yvette. I'm a paramedic for North West Ambulance. My current role is the Community Resuscitation Engagement Officer. I'm along here today with Matt, who's one of our fantastic community first responders who actually do the work voluntary. We're just going to do a demonstration on CPR just to give people an idea how to save someone's life. This is the chain of survival, and the most important thing is getting onto that person's chest and performing cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just do a quick demonstration for everybody, and then you can go home and practice it. So first of all, we're going to start off with D for danger. So we're going to check around us that there's no dangers and we're going to be in a safe place to perform CPR. The next thing I'm going to do is just see if the patient's breathing. So we just need to do a little check. Hello, 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 can you hear me? Hello? So we've had no response. So I'm just going to do a small head tilt chin lift. And I'm going to listen for 10 seconds, see if I can feel any breath on my face. Due to COVID, we stay away from the mouth. So we just have a look on the face and also take the clothing away if we can and see if we can see any rise and fall in the chest. I've listened now for about 10 seconds and there's no response. So first thing I'm going to do, we need my phone out on loudspeaker and I'm going to ring 999 whilst I'm on the chest. So I'm going to perform CPR, 30 chest compressions, no breaths. And we're going to get an AD out to us as soon as possible to see if we can get a shock in. So at the moment, I'm going to ask my colleague Matt to start with the AD and get the pads on the chest to see if we can get a shock in. Adult move. My 5 to 6 centimetres on the chest, and we need to do 100 to 120 per minute. We need to go down for the... Okay, so you can work around me, Matt. We don't need to come off the chest. So make sure your arms are locked and you're using your body weight. So once these pads are on, we have to come off the chest while it analyses. So the patient now is being analysed, the heart. If we can shock it, will tell us. So stand back. We can shock straight on, back on the chest. So what I'm going to do now, because I'm getting tired, we're going to swap over and show how we swap over with no more than 5 seconds off the chest. So I'm going to count Matt in. 1, 2, 3. So that shows that we don't come off the chest for too long. So we're still performing. As you're aware, we don't come off because we don't want it to stop. We need to get the blood pumping to the vital organs. So we've got to go at the right rate, at the right rhythm, because we need to go down deep to 5 centimetres. It doesn't work if you go too fast and no real coil, and it doesn't work if you go too slow. The blood doesn't get there. As at the moment, this is perfect CPR. We're going at the right rate, we're going at the right depth, and nobody's panicking. This will tell us when we can next analyse the heart so that we can get a shock in again, and hopefully we might get a return of spontaneous circulation. If not, we continue until the ambulance gets down. Are you okay? Do you want me to take over? Do you want to count me in, Matt? Yeah? Okay, so when you get tired, you're going to have to come off because you can get exhausted. But to do it together, it's good. So it's telling us to make sure we're pushing hard. So Matt's doing the right depth there. We're going to break ribs. That's going to happen. But that's fine. We can sort that out. What we need to do is get that blood pumping. Once the ambulance arrives, they will take over. And if they still need your assistance, they will ask you to stay on the chest. Okay. Do you want me to go on now, Matt? Because this is going to come up for another. Count me in then. So we can see that our arms are locked and we're using our body weight rather than just our arms. You'll not get as tired as much. Stand back, do not touch the patient. Analysing heart rhythm. Everyone clear. Press flashing button. Back straight on the chest. Resume chest compressions. And that's how we perform CPR. Any questions? Elbows straight. And thank you everybody for your time.